welcome to Advanced Robot Control and Learning at the Chair for Robotic and System Intelligence, Munich Institute for Robotic and Machine Intelligence. So this is winter semester 2020-2023. So this lecture will be about all the organization, how the course will be conducted, and the grading system, and the robot and everything. So there is no technical or science today, okay? So the course, like the lecture, most of the lecture is done by Professor Haddadi. I may do some of them or do the tutorial. Also, Mr. Chen is the TA that who's responsible for the roboton part. So this is the team that you're going to work with. And please, from now on, I mean, whatever is written in the module online, just contact me. Okay, don't contact anybody else, not even Professor Haddadi, not Mr. Shen, yes, if it's regarding roboton. But if anything else regarding the course, just contact me directly, okay? Okay, so this prerequisite is, of course, is up to you. There is no obligation here. So if you do have this background, that would be great. I will upload this slide in Moodle, by the way. So it's up to you. I mean, if you know this, it's good, very good. If you don't know, so you don't need to worry that much, okay? So what is the course? The course structure is actually, it's in this way. So we have every Tuesday, of course, we have from 10 to 11:30 is the lecture time. Tutorial is from 11:30 to 1, right? However, we do the course, of course, over Zoom. It's not in person. This is easy maybe for everyone. And the lecture are already recorded, right? So it's there. So you don't need actually to be there at 10 to 11:30 to attend. I will upload the lecture. I will tell you how, but it will be recorded. The tutorial session will be from 11:30 to 1. It should be in a live over Zoom, right? But it could be recorded as well. But I mean, I will try to do it online, okay? Face to face and discuss this. But there is a clear policy. So because it happened, because it's online, and of course there is no attendance here. If no one come out with the first 10 minutes of the tutorial, I will close the session. So I cannot stay just wait there if nobody show up. Okay. So if you need to attend, please come on time. And or if you if you watch the lecture, the tutorial after that during the weekend while you are sleeping, I mean, if you have come up with this question, please just send me an email. Okay. That's direct to me. So this is my email. So the lecture, we have this 12 starting from today. So we do have 10 lectures, and then because I guess the course number is big, and because of the way we do the exam, we need 2 days, from 10 to 1. I will tell you this is why we have this long time. And the tutorial, we have only 5 tutorials, and I will take the other exercise part to talk only about roboton. We do the introduction, we do the follow-up, and then there's other 2 sessions for you to work on the roboton, which is a simulation. It's not a real robot. And for the final roboton, the way you do the competition and you do your project and presentation will be after the lecture period. And this is not determined now, but it's later, okay? After the final exam. So yeah, as I said, I will put all the material on Moodle. For each lecture, you will have a reference at the end. So if you need to go into the book and look about the lecture content. So as I say, so I will upload the lecture on Monday noon, okay? And I will keep it until Wednesday. Okay, so you have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday to see the lecture online, and then I will remove that. The tutorial, I say, will be online from 11:30 to 1 p.m. If for any reason it was recorded and I will not be able to be there, I will just upload it and keep it there until you watch it and do the exercise. So now this is the most important, because we do have a roboton. Roboton actually is a teamwork. So you need to actually form yourself in a group 5, 6, 4 to do the roboton. So the commitment of the course is important, because you start the roboton very early. You mean you have a team, and so this is why you cannot deregister the class without failing it until the 6th of December. So you have this time to decide if you need to continue or not. After that, I will not allow the registration, and you have actually to have to register for the exam during that time. So 6 December is the deadline for everything. Okay, register for the exam, register for the course and everything, because it's a teamwork, and I don't need like someone like team. There is a team, assume with 4 people and 3 just decide just near to the end of the course, say, oh, I'm not continuing, and that guy will stay alone. This is not fair for you. So this is why it's a firm deadline. And I will send a reminder, but please don't, nobody like mark this down, have it in your calendar, and don't tell me like I forgot, because this is important for others, not for me. So the exam grading policy, we have the Robothon, which is the practical part, 50%. We have the final exam, which I tell you what is the final exam. It's also 50%, and you need to pass both, all right, to pass the course. So what is the exam? So the exam is a report and a short presentation. So I don't believe in the written exam. You need to come here and memorize everything. This is not my style. So you need, actually, it's more about learning. You need to know how to read your material, how to understand it, how to rewrite it, right? This is like best thing to do about learning. If you come here and memorize some equation and some fix it and you forget it like later, it doesn't make any sense. At least this is my strategy in teaching. So what is the report? So report, actually, you have, for example, you have 10 lectures there, or 9, let's say. So the report, either you pick a topic, right? This would be your main topic. For example, let's talk about task space control. You say, I like that topic, okay? For example, you write the major part of your report will be about that topic. The rest will be like a very simple 1-2 paragraph about the others. I will actually write something for this, so you can find also in Moodle, so you don't forget. But this is how they report. So either for each lecture you have a equal amount for each of them, and write the report about each section as you do for the other. For example, if you go here, okay, forget about introduction, nobody care about. So differential geometry, you say, okay, this is my topic. Okay, and then you write at least maybe, I don't know, like maybe 3 pages about this, and this one have a page here, have a page here, have a page here, and this is what I mean. Or for example, or you say, no, I'm really interested in all of them, so I will write equally about each topic. Write means you see what is the topic there, you understand it, and rephrase it and see, okay, this is the topic is well known because of this, and has been started in 1970. This is its impact. This is the main equation, the main science behind this topic. And just, it's like, yeah, you do the literature review about specific topic, and don't go crazy. I don't need like 50 or 40 pages about single topic. No, something reasonable. So if someone read this, he will understand, okay, that is a very simple, nice report about those topics, right? I will do it this way. Okay, this is about the report. So for the presentation, okay, what to do? You need actually to go to the lecture material and pick an equation from the lectures. Any equation you like. I see, okay, that equation, I found it very interesting. I will do presentation on that. Presentation means at maximum 4 slides, 5 minutes. That's it, nothing more. You say, okay, I picked this equation. Why it's important? Who come up with this equation? Why it's important? It's impact in the robotic. Its limitation. What could be done to be improved? This is what you should do in the presentation for 5 minutes, 3 slides, and this will be the final exam. This is why I need 2 days, 3 hours a day, because all of you will present in this final exam. And also in that date, maybe I can give another 1 week later just to submit your final report. So it's up to you. Okay, so you know exactly what you do now. You can also do it by now. You finish the lecture 1, you just write about it, then you can do this, then you end up with at the end of the course, you will have everything together. and you don't need to do anything except the presentation, which is make your life easier if you like to do so. So this is the final exam. So now we come to Robothon. Robothon is, as I said, it's a group project. So we divide our course to teams. Each team maybe 4 or 5, it depends. And what you need to do there is about like working with the robot, control, yes, I mean learning. There are some specific application. Is not determined now. So we will tell you all detail in the Robothon introduction later. But this will be okay. You did the simulation, you work with it, and at the end, which comes later, I think maybe in February or March, you will present what you did, your programming, your contour design. I mean, there could be a task like about reach and avoid, could be specific manipulation, could be obstacle avoiding, could be drawing, whatever task we will give you later in the Robothon introduction. So of course, the requirement you need to learn some C++, Python, MATLAB, or Rust. I mean, this is like, you will check in the Robothon introduction what we need specifically. You check your background. If you think, oh, okay, I really like it, I can continue. If it's not, then yeah, maybe this is not the thing you like to do. Okay, I think I'm done here about the presentation. So, I mean, I would like to hear some question if you do so. And please ask, okay? So you cannot, it doesn't make sense if you don't have a question.
I have 2 questions.
Yeah.
First one would be about the Robothon. Is it going to be with simulation working on the robot, or are we going to have a Franca Panda for real?
No, it's only simulation.
Okay.
Yeah.
And the second one is, how is the grading of the reports going to be done? Is it about how much details I include, how well I understood the topic, how much pages I wrote? I don't really see how you can grade the different reports.
No, I mean, of course, there is a minimum and max for the pages, for sure. And there is, and I agree based on the understanding. So you write about something, maybe you write something completely different, right? It doesn't make any sense about this, then of course you are low grade, right? But I do believe all of you will be able actually to write a good report, right? I didn't think so it will be a problem. Right. So this is how I grade the report. This is only like 2 main criteria, length and clarity actually about the report.
Thanks.
Yeah, sure. So, guys, sorry, Clara, can you just, some people asking me in chat, can you just please just speak up? Yeah, this is like for everyone to ask and to understand without sending in the chat. Yeah, Clara, please go ahead.
Did I understand correctly that you're only going to have the lecture up for like 3 days for a week and then take it back down?
Yes.
Would it be possible to keep it up for longer so we're more flexible in when we watch the lecture and how we study?
For how long? Monday to weekend?
For example.
Okay, no problem.
Great, thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, for some people ask about the class seats. So how does it work? Now, I mean, there are people got confirmed to place. If they attend today, their seat or place will confirm. Right? This is like, I think it's clear. Now, for those who got confirmed to place but didn't attend the first lecture, I will deregister them from the class. For those on the waiting list, I will see a mechanism such that how I will give you the free seats for you. So, but I mean, everything today is about, if you didn't attend today, so just if you have friends, so this is when you will lose your seats. This the course has 100 something student there, so I need to only give 40. Yeah, so this is like for people asking about how you see about the fixed place when the course. Yeah, and I will just do this maybe tomorrow or after tomorrow. So I will give you like the final list of the course. If you are got a confirmed place, I will let you know. If unfortunately you didn't, then I will say good luck and we will try it other course or next year. I'm sorry, I interrupted someone. He was about to ask. Yeah, who was that?
Yes, sorry, it was me.
Yeah.
Wondering if the videos with the lectures will be re-uploaded before the end, or it's just once they're gone, they're gone.
I didn't get it. Sorry.
Yeah, sorry. So I thought you would remove the videos to get us to follow the course, but do we have at the end of the course them again for review, or that's
you will have the material, only the material. Yeah, but I mean, at the end, if you like to come have a review lecture, you need to ask about something. We do that. I mean, we will have an open discussion. Yeah. I think this, but I mean, let me advise you something which is very good for you. So if you attend a lecture, you watch the first lecture, and you need to write about something, just write it down and watch it, summarize it, have paragraph 1 or 2, 3, whatever, it's up to you, have it there. And then at the end, actually, you need to do again and come back and watch it again, and you will not forget it that easy. And you save yourself time for writing the final report. Believe me, this will be the best strategy to do.
That makes sense. Thank you.
Yeah, sure. Other question?
Sorry, go ahead.
Oh, sorry. About the tutorials, could you maybe tell us what we can expect during the tutorials? What kind of things will we be doing?
I mean, it will be maybe 1 or 2 questions. I will ask a question. You maybe give you like some time to just try your best, and then I will explain it.
I mean, during the tutorial sessions, like what kind of exercises will we be doing? Will we be programming? Will we be?
No, there is no programming. It's math basically. So you you need to write the motion equation for a system. You need to say how does if you talk about differential geometry, so if you have some transformation, you go from the manifold to another, this kind of stuff. What kind of control, prove distributivity for a system, right? This kind of stuff. So the thing I will ask you this question, give you some maybe a question or something. Write down, just try to check if you are able to solve it, and then time is done. Then we do it together. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And it will not be that much. I think it's only 5, right? So because I mean, you just need to understand the idea, right? I don't need you to create your robot now, right? So just it's about understanding and learning about the topic in general.
So you said that we should write you an email if we have questions. Can we also use the Moodle forum for that, so that everybody can maybe also see if their question has been asked before?
Yeah, we can do that. Yeah, for sure. No. So you guys need to prefer like you have a discussion forum for each lecture. You like to do it this way, or like a very general discussion forum, like all the questions should be from the beginning until the end? Just tell me what the way you like it. Okay, I will figure it out, so don't worry. Okay. Other question?
Is there a deadline until which we have to find a group, or so when we know who will have confirmed places, and then do we tell you which group we're in, or how does the grouping up for the Robothon work?
Yeah, this is all that would come with the Robothon introduction, okay? And very detailed. How does it work? Okay. More questions? So this means like everything is clear about the course, at least from organization point of view, right?
Sorry, again, the details about the 2 possibilities for the reports, they are on these slides, correct?
That is not there, so I will write them down. So.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Yeah. But I can explain it more. Is it not clear for you, or it was clear? But you just make sure you will have it later.
Yes, because I wasn't writing it down, and I wanted to write it down for future reference.
Yeah,
So
sure.
I either focus on one lecture, and I don't remember exactly what was it as to go with that, or write a bit about each lesson.
So assuming, I mean, your report is like 100%, right? This is the report. So either you have maybe 60% for one topic,
Okay.
and the other 40 you divide it between the others, okay? Or equally, you divide the 100% between all of them. I don't know, 10%, 20%, it depends on the number of the lecture, on the topic, right?
Okay.
So, and I would say actually, if you need to do this, you can just maybe we have 10 topics, you can just pick 5, just to don't make it messy, like at least, because they are topic which is really not connected to the other. So it's up to you. But this is, I mean, I would write it down for you, right? And
thank you very much.
on the model, yeah, but not today, okay? So I will
Yeah.
do it during the week, okay?
Is there maybe something like a lecture script or something that you could upload so we can have a brief look on how the topics are going to be organized and what kind of contents we will expect of this course?
Can you say it again, please?
Do you have maybe something like a lecture script or something, or already the prepared presentation so we can have already a look on the topics that will be contents of the course to get a better idea of what we will really see in this course?
I mean, you mean lecture by lecture? Yeah, you have the PDF file, right? Before, I mean, I upload it together. I mean, the video and the video. So you see the presentation, and also you can go and watch the lecture.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean, the PDF file or the presentation file will always be there for you.
Okay.
Sorry, did you say you already uploaded something to Moodle?
And this presentation only about the organization will be online today. Yeah, but the content will start from the next Monday. It could be Monday, since it will be a week, so I could upload Monday evening, Tuesday morning. So at least you'd come the lecture time, you'll find it there. Okay, so you have all the week, right, to watch it. So night, morning is up to you. About your other courses, I guess you have. Yeah, most of you have other courses, of course.
Can people with no confirmed place get access to the Moodle?
Sorry?
Can someone with no confirmed place get access to the Moodle?
After we finish with that, I mean, after we allocate everything. Right? This was your question, right? Yeah, I will see, okay? But did you, I mean, Michael, who's Mike? I mean, he did refer to our website for what? What reason?
Just because Johan was asking about a script with the topics, so the topics are listed on the website, I think.
Oh, okay.
Maybe that helps.
Maybe I'm not sure it's up to date. Okay, but yeah,
Okay.
kind of. Okay.
Okay, that's good to know.
One question: how do you intend to match the people attending today to the people in the course? Because I have a fixed plot, but like, just so I don't get thrown out.
So people got confirmed, it's already confirmed if they attend today, right? But the one with just requirement met, which means that you are on the waiting list. Honestly, I will think about. So I'm not like there's a even Zoom is not there. Is like first come first serve. I don't know. Let me just think about it. Okay.
Yeah, but like today, because I have a fixed plot, I'm already.
Yeah, then you're already there. So if you are a fixed plot, then when you attend, then you are
Okay.
already got up. Yeah.
Okay, perfect. I'm just asking about how you intend to match with the names and so, but it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
That's okay. Thank you very much.
Yeah, sure. And so just for me, like I do need to go to come to online and check. So how many master? Can you please raise your hand? How many master students, right? Can you please just raise your hand? 5. Okay, seems like everyone. Do we have a bachelor? So 1, 2, 3, how much? Like 6 bachelor, right? No? 6, yes. Oh, 5. Okay. Okay, I just wanted to know. Okay, so this bachelor are not from the electrical engineering, right? It's from what faculty? Can you please let me know?
For me, I came from the computer science. I'm on exchange.
Okay, and are you sure you will get the credit for that? Did you confirm with your department?
Well, my home university confirmed it.
Oh, so okay, so you are exchange student, so that will actually be counted at your home university, not here, right?
Yes.
Okay. The other bachelor student, can you please let me know which department you are from? Okay, maybe it was a mistake. No other bachelors. Anyway, just for information, because I know the course is already for masters. In some cases, bachelor can take it. Just please check, because it happens that some bachelor are allowed to take a master course just for attending. I'm not sure that credit will be given to them. Just double check. If you are a bachelor student, just double check with your department, program, whatever, if the credit will be given to you at the end. Yeah, it happened before and it was like a bit unfortunate to the student. So just please double check. Okay, so yes, so this is like from my side. I think if there is no other more questions, I would say, yeah, the course is about learning, not memorizing, not actually just. I mean, I wouldn't say have fun, but actually it's like, for me, just like a topic you just have to knowledge about. So it's not like if someone talk about this stuff, you at least have something to discuss and go forward. Yeah, again, I'm not the person who actually take about really a grade, like very, like you have to score whatever, and it's like very strict and you exam and everything. This is not my way. So I wouldn't say take it easy, but actually if you spend like a decent amount of effort in the course, you try to understand the material and do the Robothon correctly, everything will be fine. And if you have problems, just leave me or anything, just let me know before the deadline, which is 6th of December. You have to take your action and make your mind. This is very important for all other team members here, okay? Okay, so yeah, then if there is no other questions, so I will wish you a nice start of the weekend. You already started. And see you maybe next Tuesday. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.